What's going on, guys? In this free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online with no experience. You don't need any experience to do this. If you watch this video, you could potentially make money online. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through everything step by step so you don't miss out on any information. And this method is so simple to understand. There's actually not that many steps. It's surprisingly easy and quick to do. You won't need to go and create your own complicated website, so you don't need to worry about coding or anything like that. More importantly, I've gone ahead and created a bot that we can use, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this video, take you through the steps and show you how to use the bot to make money online. And this is a brand new method to this channel that we haven't talked about. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money online with this method. Let's get started. All right, guys, first let's look at some results. If you see on the screen here, this says that this particular person has made $400,000. Now, I don't know why there's no comma there, so we are going to refresh this so you know that this is real. I think it's because I'm not on the paid version of this software, so it doesn't actually show all the data, but you'll see in a second. I'm refreshing it right now. This is it right here. And as it says here, I need a premium feature to unlock more of the data. So I think that's why, but I have no idea. Usually there's a comma there, but these guys have made $400,000 with this particular method that I'm going to show you. And they're making around about $11,000 per month. So let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how this works and exactly how you can make money with this. Right now, I'm going to take you through this step by step from start to finish. So the first step you want to do is you want to go to a website called openai.com and you'll want to sign up and get your own ChatGPT account. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an AI bot that's growing insanely fast. There's articles about this everywhere and it's advancing at a very scary pace. To be honest, it's growing very fast. So you are going to want to jump into making money with this as quick as you possibly can. So once you sign up to ChatGPT, it's going to look something like this. Now with ChatGPT, you basically put in some details and it's going to give you information. Now with this method, it's a little bit hard to just go and use ChatGPT on its own. So what I've done is I've actually gone ahead and created a ChatGPT bot that you can actually use. So here is my ChatGPT bot and it's linked in the description if you want to go ahead and use this. And this is called Puzzle Creator. I'll explain to you exactly how this works in a second. But it's basically the description is I will create puzzle images, choose a size, and then tell me what you want. So this is what you need to do. The first step is you need to click on this here that says choose a size for your image. And ChatGPT is going to go ahead and give us some size options that we can go ahead and use. Now, the reason why I created this bot is because everything is done for you. So you don't have to go ahead and try and figure out how to do this yourself. So we're going to go with wide. So all I have to do is type in wide. And it's going to go ahead and give me it's going to basically say, okay, we're going to give you a wide image. Then it's going to ask me what type of image I want. Now, we're not creating a puzzle just yet. We are just going to be creating an image. So I'm going to go and put my prompt in, and then we'll come back and see what I've put in there. All right, guys, I just realized this video is going to be super quick because this is so easy to do. But what I put in is I put create an image of the ocean with a beautiful reef and fish swimming around. Make it look realistic and amazing. You don't need to give it much detail anymore because it knows exactly what to do. It's very advanced now. Now you can get a link to this puzzle creator in the description. Once this has come back with the image, we'll see exactly what it looks like. And then I'll show you the next steps on how to make money with this. All right, guys, so the bot had a little bit of an episode. It gave me an image with black bars. So what I did is I said, I like this, but please make it this size and remove the black bars. It actually went and created an entire new image, but that's okay. It's made this beautiful image here that we can now go ahead and use. This is actually perfect for what I want. This is a coral reef, looks really nice, and we can use this. Now, what you can do is you can now download this, and it's actually pretty cool how I did all of this just by doing a few things. I went to the bot, I clicked what to give me some size options. I put in wide, it messed it up a little bit with the black bars, but that's fine. It was probably still the right size. And then I told it to take away the black bars and it gave me this beautiful looking image. Now I can go ahead and download this image by clicking on this. Here is the image here and it's actually nice and big. So looks good. So now what do we do with this particular image? What you want to do next is you want to come to a website called printify.com or a website that's similar. Now go ahead and start your own account and just look through this website and get familiar with how this all works. But once you do that, you're going to be taken into the back end. And what you want to do is once you're in the back end, click on catalog, and it's going to give us all of these options that we can use here. So we've got magnets, wall decorations, blankets, hoodies, t-shirts, etc., mugs. And what this is a print on demand website. So someone places an order with you and then these guys will send it out for you. What I've done is I've gone ahead and found puzzles. So this is the puzzles here. What happens is you can sell these, and then once you get an order, this particular website will send it all out for you. You don't have to touch any of the products. So what I did is I clicked on this one here, and this is the puzzle here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload that image. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Designing. And I'm going to go and upload the image, and I'm going to click My Device. Now, right now it's uploading the file, and it might not come out perfect really depending on, so it's not going to be perfect. That's okay. We can go ahead and change the size right here. We'll make it a little bit bigger. So I might need to fix that bot to kind of, well, actually it just depends, because the puzzle size is going to be different for each puzzle. Okay, let me just make this a little bit bigger here. Doesn't really matter, it's a tutorial. And there we go. Beautiful. And now I'm going to go save product. And now this has gone ahead and created us a puzzle. Let's wait for these to load, and boom, here we go. We have a puzzle ready to go that we can actually go ahead and make money with this. How easy is this stuff? Look at that. This is the puzzle. That's absolutely insane. We just turned a picture into a puzzle. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna look dope once this loads up. Look, there's our puzzle right there. Pieces of the puzzle. It's gonna scatter it onto the thing. I don't know if those are upside down pieces or, yeah, those are upside down pieces. And then we also have this here, which is going to look pretty cool as well. We'll load this one up as well. And here we go. The corner's broken off. This looks amazing. So how do we make money with this, guys? Well, if you actually look on the front page of this website real quick, we'll go back to here and we'll just go to printify.com here. If you go back to the front, you'll see down here that this website, Printify, connects to what's called Etsy. So they connect automatically via their integration. This is Etsy right here, where we can actually sell puzzles. So for example, if we click on this one right here, this is probably a print on demand puzzle as well. And people are selling puzzles. It actually says printmypuzzle.com. So they actually have their own website. Now this is absolutely insane because everything is linked up. So you can do large, medium, small. You'll have that option in Printify. You can do standard, premium, and stuff like that. And we know people are buying this stuff, guys, because guess what? They have reviews. They have 5 pages of reviews. So people are actually buying this stuff. And if we look at this, here is another puzzle from someone selling on Etsy. This is how easy this stuff is. AI or ChatGPT can make this type of stuff. We could literally tell ChatGPT to make a puzzle in a Venice oil painting style. We could literally tell ChatGPT to do that, and that will do that for us. And as you can see, here's the pieces right here. I don't know why it takes so long to load. And here's a family sitting down doing the puzzle in this mock-up image. So we can literally tell ChatGPT to go ahead and replicate or reverse engineer, I should say, any of these puzzles on the screen. We could tell it to do a Buddha puzzle, tell it to do a octopus puzzle. We could tell it to do a wave puzzle or a puzzle like this one down here. And we can make money selling on Etsy. All right, guys, that's a quick and simple way to make money online with zero experience. Go and use this bot. Go and make an image. Go ahead and create a puzzle in Printify, and then just click save your draft. And then once you actually connect your Etsy store, I don't have it connected on this account, you go and upload it, and then you go and sell it on Etsy. Super simple, and you can even run Etsy ads to be up the top so you can make money and just check your ROI and see if you're making money, so you can get to the top of the search results like these ads right here as quick as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll jump into some paid ads and how you can make more money with this. I'll see you there.